here, KOMU, and where I'm working now, it's a real live TV affiliate, and I'm almost positive I wouldn't get that experience anywhere else. But here I am, anchoring, 6 p.m. on a Friday. I come in, I get ready, I look over the scripts, I make sure, I understand everything that's going on in the newscast. I try to familiarize myself with all the stories. Knowing the names is important. Obviously, you don't want to butcher anything on air or put out the wrong information on air. Cadillac Derek. Gotta love it. After an argument between Derek and Officer Logan, Officer Tim Geiger, about 40 minutes before showtime, I go and do my makeup. Oh, crap. That did just happen. Like a streak of makeup on my suit. Right. Let's do this. It's exhilarating if I had to put it into one word, but that's the thing, you can't put it into one word. When I just tried it, it fell off. It's exciting and nerve-wracking all at the same time, but it's a great feeling. Those 30 minutes are just some of the most rewarding minutes, in my life. And on the web, you can find a link to the Columbia Police Department's new taser statistics. Good night. It's legit. I mean, no playing around. This is the real deal.